Morning, Steve Free in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Thursday. We've got export sales today. We also see a higher trade in beans, meal, corn, and wheat overnight. The algorithm machines continue to be bullish based on global weather issues, maybe a friendly report tomorrow by the USDA, and the fact that U.S. balance sheets for corn and beans could be getting tighter. Again, if the USDA estimates U.S. 2021 corn and soybean carryouts at the low end of the trading range, we could actually see prices move higher. Now that we're above 1050 in November beans, 1071 is an objective, and maybe even higher if things get tighter. Corn is approaching $4. Again, that's kind of a magic number, but so far cash prices of the farmer has not encouraged them to sell cash corn. Same is true in Argentina, and there is some concern about the Ukraine corn crop. And as far as the wheat is concerned, again, trading over $6 is a very psychological thing that haven't seen in a while. And again, we're trading dry Russian weather, we're trading dry Argentina weather. Now it's drying out in Western Australia, and also we're trading dry U.S. Southern Plains weather. We have a hurricane in the Gulf that's moving up into the Delta area, and that should add unwanted rains in the Delta, heavy winds, and could disrupt logistics. So export sales numbers, we're looking for somewhere around 500,000 tons of wheat, maybe 1 million tons of corn, maybe 2 million tons of beans, and let's say maybe 300,000 to 400,000 tons of meal. Meal making new contract highs because of the concern that the Argentina crush is going to be lower, partly because of maybe a lower crop, but maybe also just a lower crush numbers, and that could help U.S. meal export demand. As far as the weather is concerned, there might be a little bit of a change, at least in U.S. Southern Plains and Russia weather after October 20th. This doesn't necessarily mean it's a pattern change, but if we have less tropical disturbances in the Gulf, we could actually get some front out of the southwest moving across the southern plains. Also in Russia, we could actually see some showers moving from the Eastern Europe into Russia during that time frame. But again, long-range maps show that once these rains occur, U.S. Southern Plains and Russia will turn dry again. As far as the winter is concerned here in the United States, we're looking for above normal temperatures. Moisture might be just a tad below normal for this winter. Below normal temperatures. And moisture might be just a little bit below normal. The south part of the U.S. in the La Nina years tends to be drier than normal. So we've got weather, we've got the USDA report tomorrow, we've got export sales today, we've got the managed funds near record long, and we've got the algorithm machines bullish right now. Yesterday we saw the funds buying 6,000 contracts of beans. They're long 283. They bought 15,000 corn. Now they're long 205,000 corn. They bought 12 wheat, and they're long 64,000 wheat contracts, and they continue to be long 102,000 meal contracts and almost 100,000 soybean oil contracts. So again, higher trade. We'll see what the USDA has to say for us tomorrow. We'll look for weather issues, and also if China comes back from holiday tomorrow, do they come in and start buying more U.S. soybeans and corn? As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.